Aloha guys, every time you hear the toilet water running, you always think panic because you don't know what to do. That's why we brought in Ross today. We're here at City Mill to talk about what we got to do when we're having toilet issues or when we hear the water running.
We need to narrow down what's leaking. Now, if you're a jiggler to stop the water, we're gonna stop that.
We gotta stop that. I do that sometimes.
We gotta find out where the water's coming from.
Okay.
The easiest way is come into City Mill, get this free color detector tablets, pop it in. If you see colored water coming into your bowl, then it's more than likely your flapper that needs replacement. If you see clear water flowing in your bowl, then it's probably a fill valve. Once you determine whether it's the flapper that needs replacement or the fill valve, that'll determine what you buy. First of all, you reach under, you turn off your valve, shut the water off. Flush your toilet. Once the water goes out, it doesn't have to be completely dry. We'll remove the flapper, and once you get it out, the chain and the flapper, we get it out of your bowl.
When you take the flapper, you got to bring it in the City Mill, figure out which one you need.
Yes, and let's definitely match it with what you have. We're gonna snap it back in. If you have your old flapper, you're gonna copy the same length of the chain. Clip it back onto your handle. This is if your water was leaking on this side.
When there's issues in the bathroom, the first thing we do is panic, but it's actually a lot easier than people think.
It is. If this was leaking, very simple. Just unhook this from the float, twist to your right. This is the only piece that you need to get out, this rubber piece right here. Take out the rubber piece, grab your new one, put it back. There may be some debris in here, so cover it with your hand, reach down, turn on the water slowly. It'll push the debris out. Put your piece back on, put it back together.
And you're good to go. All of this stuff is available at City Mills across the island and on citymill.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.